Okay, my name is Dunesha Naiker. I am the Process Improvement and Product Development Manager. I've been at Africal for over a year. Process improvement basically works very closely with production and operations, basically slimlining the production process, making it more efficient. And product development works very closely with R&D, and as the title suggests, developing new products for the future. Okay, so the manufacturing process occurs at two places. One is at Kanspai, that's basically the heart of Africa. And here we harvest the seaweed on the west coast, the seaweed being Eclonia maxima. That seaweed is basically washed to remove sand, debris, epiphytes, and then our process is a cold micronization process. So we chop the seaweed into fine particles, and then it goes through 3 filtration steps, and we extract the liquid. We extract the liquid because that's where the active ingredient, the hormone, basically auxin or IAA, is found. Okay, so because the active ingredient or the auxin is found in the cytoplasm of the cell, our focus is trying to extract as much of it as possible from the seaweed. So firstly, we're trying to chop it more finer, and then to minimize our filtration process and also to minimize the loss during each part of the process, we're currently installing a decanter, which is a Hiller decanter, to ensure proper solid liquid separation. So our harvesting is done in a rotational fashion. So when we go back to area 1, the seaweed has grown to maximum height. The next way that we ensure sustainability is that we are venturing towards cutting the seaweed above the bladder, which is basically the brain or the heart of the seaweed. And by doing so, we do not kill the species, and we're starting to only process the fronds or the leaves. So because it's a plant-based species, each batch that we produce will have a different concentration of auxin in it. Our auxin concentration is currently determined in Dresden, Germany. And so to ensure that every algae 1 batch that you have has the same amount of auxin, we standardize our auxin concentration. That standardized auxin concentration is also tested using the mung bean assay, as well as other quality assurance techniques. So at Kanspai, we have the solid residue that comes out of the process, and currently that is being disposed of at landfill. We are working with utilizing that solid residue, so we have a zero to waste landfill. Secondly, we are working very closely with R&D in developing new products. And thirdly, we are also investing in new equipment to ensure quality and consistency in our product.